Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video we have seen how we can use fetch library to fetch data from the internet or server by using HTTP protocol, and we display that information in tabular form like this by using Bootstrap. Same kind of data we are going to display again, but for that we are going to use the different library called Axios. So Axios is a standard library for fetching data for get and post request from the server. So for that I need to close this component, and I need to create one more component in this, and I say Axios get.jsx, and here again I create the component and give here name get Axios. Okay, so for that I just copy this and I just pass it here. So in place of fetch I will use get Axios, and for that I need this class also, this component also. Now we have this get Axios. Okay, file name is Axios get. That is a problem. So file name is Axios get. Save this. Done. Now here I need to make coding. So for that again I need to create an array. So I say users, an empty array I just created. Again I need to call a component didMount function, and in this function I need to fetch or use the Axios library. For that I need to install Axios also. So here npm install Axios, enter, and it will install the Axios library. Now we need to use this Axios. So here we can use import Axios from Axios. Okay, now I need to call here Axios.get, and remember that it is also promise based library, so we need then also, and we have catch also. So under this catch we have again error, so we just console.log this error we can display like this. Now we have this catch also, then also, so we give response, and this response is also the promise type. Here we need to pass library, so I copy this library from here, means the you get request your API I need to pass here. Now I have a data, so that data I will set to set state, and here I will update users to response dot data like this. Response here, response dot data. Now we have a data, so we can display this data like here I use first of all div tag to remove the error, and here I can try to display that data, this dot state dot users, and we try to see the data is available or not. So go there and we see the data is coming in console. You see we have the data is coming, no problem at all. Now we need to display this data. So for display this information under this, so I need this same, the multiple line of concept like this. Now remember that for that I need the bootstrap. So already I have bootstrap, so I just copy this one from bootstrap for table information and I paste it here, and I close this bootstrap table like this, and I need to change this to table success, this one. Now I need to pass here, I need to remove this one, and here I need to pass user ID and user ID, and I say username, and I have user photo or user image. Done. Now this, under this we have tbody, and here I need the separate class. So for class in React we have to pass here class name. So I copy this again and I need to pass it here, and here I say table dark. I want a dark color of, you can say the header or the body, heading body, dark color of header I want. So I need to pass here, I will say to the body I need this warning, and here in the header portion, body portion we have warning, we have success here, no problem. Now under this we need to use this expression, and this dot state dot users dot map, and under this map what I need here the user as a information, and then I need return like this. Under this I say div tag. So in place of div tag I will use tr for creating a table row, and under this table row this is the table row. So here I need a th, and scope of th would be row, and here I need user dot id, remember. So again I copy this, I paste this, here I say user login for username, and here I need photo, so I say img tag, and under this img tag I want to display some information like src. So here I will display user dot avatar underscore url, then we have width equal to 100 pixels, then we have height equal to 100 pixel. Save this. So I need to close this first, then here I need to this, then here I need alternate alt also. So I say pick not found. Save this. You see we have did this. If everything is okay, so we can go to this and we have a data. You see we have a user ID, name and user photo, and we can also change it to we have this color. So I can change the color of table to dark I say dark, so I check this to dark, then I check what is the color. You see we have a color header body to the dark, you see. So we have dark here, now we have this color here. So whatever we want we can do. It's a game of bootstrap, so we can use bootstrap classes. But you see that how we use Axios library. This Axios library we used, get function we use, because it's a promise based library. So we just pass here URL, get URL, then we get the response, we get the data here, response.data, we pass this data to the state variable, and after this we use this state variable one by one by using map, and we created the table by using bootstrap. So you see it's a very useful way to create a table in React and display information by using the HTTP library called Axios. So that's all in this video. I think you learned something from this video. If you learn, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.